DLTR stock analysis and DLTR stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. $3 sitting at approximately 84 cents and $84.80. That is 10% down for Thursday. If I look at it from a 1-day chart, this is how it looks like. Yeah, like from a first glance, this just seems like it's in a demand area, which actually it is. But the only thing that I'm really gonna look forward to, like the only bullish thing, let's put it that way, that I'm gonna look for DLTR is gonna be the price to actually start breaking above this high. I mean, after that, then it's gonna be set, you know. So if I see a double break above here, only then I'll start to look for something bullish. I mean, if this is not present, then I'm not gonna buy. You know, it's really that simple. Sticking to the plan that I've previously documented the test for 26,000 videos, you know. So if you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one.